Good morning, students.
Now, we had done first part of chapter number 11, that is water resources, and it's a very small part, very small chapter, fine. So, we had seen about the irrigation system, multi-purpose project, and sources of water. Now, we'll continue further with the water crisis, okay? Yes, so now we'll continue with the water crisis. Water is a natural gift. Of course, we are not a person who is creating water. It is a natural gift. Water shortage is constantly intensified due to increasing demand for grains by increasing population to grow cash crop, increasing urbanization and changing lifestyle of people. The position of water supply and inequality in the local distribution are challenges to the human interaction, livelihood and economic development. Yes, as population increase, there will be more demand for grains and ultimately there will be more demand for water. पीने के लिए भी ज़्यादा चाहिए, यूज़ करने के लिए भी ज़्यादा चाहिए. So water crises are faced by many people in India and especially during summer. Nowadays, the water crisis is in very alarming stage in arid region of western Rajasthan and the interior area of southern peninsula plateau. Yes, these two regions are really having a very पेनफुल सिचुएशन ऑफ वाटर इन समर एक 5-5 किलोमीटर तक वो लोग सिर्फ 2 मटके के लिए पानी के लिए चल के जाते हैं और बहुत ही ख़राब हालत है पानी की यहाँ पे. द क्वालिटी ऑफ वाटर हैज़ डिटोरिएटेड इन मैनी विलेजेस एंड सम टाउन्स. Many waterborne diseases are spread due to this. Yes, quality of water. If we drink stagnant water, if we drink chemical water, then there will be problem to the health of the people also. Availability of pure potable water is the basic need of life. Apart from the attempt made to increase the availability of potable water, there is large difference between the demand of water and its supply. Yes, demand is too much but supply is very less. Even today, there is severe shortage of drinking water in about 8% of the town in India. It needs to be done to provide clean water to about 50% of the villages of the country. Yes. Today also, after 70 years of independence also, there is really a very tough situation of water in our country. वेस्टर्न राजस्थान मतलब पूरा वो डेजर्ट एरिया आ जाता है, जैसलमेर वो वहाँ पे सच में पानी की बहुत किल्लत होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा, और मैनेज करना भी इतना ही डिफ़िकल्ट है. नेक्स्ट कम्स there has been a large increase in irrigation facilities in India. However, 2/3 of the agriculture region still depends on rainwater. मतलब irrigation facilities तो बड़ी है, but then 2/3 of the population depends on rainwater. Nothing, if at all, if this 2/3 is also provided with irrigation facilities, think about the proportion of water required. In recent time, groundwater level has gone down considerably due to more and more water is extracted from wells and tube wells. As a result, the groundwater source has decreased. What is groundwater? The water which we get from the inner earth crust. So, as we go on using it more and more, then the level of water in the ground is going on decreasing. The country is facing severe problem in some of the state extract groundwater in less volume. Serious problems like reduction in quality of water and increasing scarcity have to be faced. Besides, agriculture water is in use in industries are uncontrolled quantity. Main source of water pollution are polluted water of domestic use and industries. Yes, main problem of water pollution. We all know that industrial waste, even all those sewage waste, all the things are thrown in river water. In our many times it is thrown in river water and ultimately the water gets polluted. Now comes watershed is a natural unit and it is used to synthesize development in smaller natural unit according to the convenience. A river basin is such an area wherein the water of river along with the water of its branches are forms of watershed. A watershed region is ultimately a river basin only. Watershed क्या है? River basin only. River basin मतलब इतना एरिया जहाँ से रिवर होके गुजरती है. Okay, that is called river basin. The water during the rainy season flows forward and finally meets any river. The development of watershed is an overall approach of development. It includes programs like soil and humidity conservation, water storage, tree plantation, forestation, horticulture, development of pasture land, renewal of collective resources. In all this program, the land capability and the requirement of people have to be considered. It needs the participation of local people. Many schemes are planned by the state and the central government. Yes, वाटर शेड मतलब क्या, ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे एनिमल्स रखे जाए, अगर एनिमल शेड है तो. इन द सेम वे वाटर शेड मीन्स वॉट, इट इज़ अ फॉर्म और अ सिस्टम वेयर वाटर कैन बी स्टोर्ड एंड इट कैन बी स्टोर्ड बाय नंबर ऑफ दिस थिंग्स लाइक फॉरेस्टेशन, ट्री प्लांटेशन. ये सब दिस ऑल थिंग्स विल कैप्चर द सॉइल. जितनी ज़्यादा सॉइल है उतना ज़्यादा पानी एब्जॉर्ब होगा. ओके, सो अल्टीमेटली दिस साइकिल रन्स लाइक दिस. इफ एट ऑल देर आर मोर ट्रीज देर विल बी मोर सॉइल कंजर्वेशन, सॉइल इरोजन कम होगा. सॉइल इरोजन कम होगा, उसकी वजह से वो रूट्स और वो सॉइल पानी को पकड़ के रखेगी. ओके, एंड देर विल बी लेस वेस्ट ऑफ वाटर. नेक्स्ट कम्स रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग. हार्वेस्टिंग का मतलब क्या होता है, काटना और जो उगा है उसको काट के रखना. तो रेन वाटर को हार्वेस्ट करना मतलब उसको बचा के रखना. स्पेशल मेथड टू कलेक्ट द रेन वाटर एंड कंजर्व इट इंक्लूड द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ वेल, स्मॉल डैम्स, खेत तालावड़ी दैट इज फार्म पॉन्ड एक्सेट्रा. वाटर इज कंजर्व थ्रू दिस मीडियम्स. इट ऑल्सो रेजेज द ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल. This may fulfill the requirement of domestic use and agriculture. Yes, रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग. बारिश आ रही है, उसको दरिया में ऐसे कैसे बहने नहीं जाने दो, उसको बचा के रखो. उसकी कोई सिस्टम बनाओ जिसकी वजह से हम पानी स्टोर कर सकें, विच विल बी यूज फॉर डोमेस्टिक एंड फॉर एग्रीकल्चर यूज. नेक्स्ट कम्स, see this is image of rainwater harvesting. How to harvest rainwater. The rainwater running off the road is collected in a filter chamber which is then transformed to slumps using PVC pipe. देखो यहाँ पे PVC पाइप की वजह से, देखो यहाँ से let me just a minute. Yes, so we'll see how it works. Okay, so see, this is the home terrace you may say. यहाँ से पानी आता है, it will get collected over here and then it enters in this tank जहाँ पे filter chamber है. Okay, filter chamber में से होके पानी यहाँ पे नीचे आता है. The slump below the ground located. Okay, and rainwater running off the roof is collected in a filter chamber which is then transferred to the slumps using the PVC pipe. The water then is moved to the open well and or recharge well. यहाँ से देखो ये पानी क्लीन वाटर इसमें आ रहा है. ओके, यहाँ पे वो साफ़ होता है और यहाँ से वो होके कुएं में डाला जाता है, जहाँ से पानी लेके सब पेड़ों को यहाँ पे दिया जाता है. ओके, yes, now we'll move further. Main objective of rainwater harvesting: to increase the capacity to conserve the groundwater and increase the underground water level. Of course, rainwater harvesting underground level बढ़ाता है. Reduce water pollution. Third, improve the quality of groundwater भी अच्छा क्वालिटी का हो. To save the land root from water lodging. Reduce surface runoff of water, मतलब पानी बह जाता है बिना कोई रीज़न के, उसके साथ बहुत सारा इरोजन भी होता है. Then fulfill the requirement of domestic water requirement during summer and during long dry spell. Fulfill the increasing demand of water. Make arrangement to store water in underground tank in multi-story residence in a large city, or arrangement should be made so that the वाटर परकुलेट्स इन द ग्राउंड. ऐसी कोई अरेंजमेंट करो कि ग्राउंड में वाटर परकुलेट्स हो, या तो फिर आप रेन वाटर को टैंक में भर के यूज़ कर सको. ठीक है, वेरी कॉमन थिंग्स आर देयर. नाउ थिंग्स टू नो. एक बेडाज विलेज है विच इज़ इन गुजरात, आई थिंक सो, एंड वहाँ के लोगों ने पानी की किल्लत कम करने के लिए अपने खुद ने सब ने लेक बनाए थे. ओके, सो पूरा एक बड़ा सा लेक बनाया था गांव में. The so-called backward villages of Bedaj in Aravalli district understood the value of water and evolved the understanding of water harvesting technique. They converted the entire region into greenery by conserving 2.25 crore liters, that is 2 lakh cubic meters of rainwater. They created an association of villages and adapted to small primary problem of water. They got the cooperation of social institution of the village. With the cooperation of the institution of the village of Bedaj village were made aware, and they were agreed not to allow water of the village to flow out of village. The village pond spread in 7 vigas, dams 11 farms ponds, drip in 25 hectare, pipeline 10 hectare, deep law, small dams etc. were constructed. इन सब की वजह से पानी बचा. About 2 lakh cubic meter of rainwater was stocked and stored. The stony and the area got new facility of water supply. Milk production increased by 12.5%. Of course, if there is more water, there will be more greenery. If there is more greenery, cow will get more to eat and they will give more milk. Water storage increased by 20-30% due to which farm production also increased. Today, jade crops are ruffling in 136 vigas of land of Baraj for water in मेघराज. यस, पानी बचा जिसकी वजह से जेड क्रॉप का मतलब होता है समर क्रॉप भी वो इजीली ले सकते हैं. फॉलोइंग पॉइंट शुड बी कंसिडर फॉर वाटर मैनेजमेंट. यूज वाटर इकोनॉमिकली फॉर गार्डन व्हीकल्स, इन टॉयलेट्स एंड इन वॉश बेसिन्स. Public awareness should be created. Participant in water conservation, its skill management should be increased. If possible, recycle the used water. अगर possible हो तो, वरना कोई problem नहीं है. Save the reservoirs from pollution. We can do that. Increase the use of all unit of water harvesting structure like well, tube well, khet talar, etc. Prevent the deterioration of water storage unit and repair the damaged pipes immediately to stop water pollution. Uniform step cannot be applied in every area. Local people should include with their cooperation for the development and management of water resources of any region. Thus, water should be used economically. Various methods to be implemented for water conservation, whether the rainfall occurs or not. Water crisis is pending on country. Whether it is a farm or water phase in a house, we have to use every drop of water. Water is life. In short, it means do not waste water. Water can help us in many ways. Now, which is the main source of surface water? It is rainfall. Yes. Second is connect the following multi-purpose project with the original one. Bhakra Nangal, it is in Punjab. Kosi Bihar में है. Nagarjun Sagar is in Andhra Pradesh and Narmada in Gujarat. Okay, match it then. Which of the following statement is not true? Compared to canals, irrigation through wells and ponds are more prevalent in India. Himalayan river are called seasonal river. Is not true. Of course, Himalayan river seasonal river नहीं है. They are 365 days river. Which of the following statement regarding Khet Taladi present in the classroom should student debate? It is more important source to obtain water for industries. It is important part to grow more trees. It is modern technique to increase the soil erosion. It is a part of rainwater harvesting. तो क्या होगा इसका आंसर? खेत तालावड़ी is a part of rainwater harvesting. I think so. And fifth, after arranging the following multipurpose project from north to south, which seems to be correct? नॉर्थ टू साउथ में जाना है. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले आएगा भाखरा नंगल, देन आएगा चंबल वैली, देन आएगा नर्मदा वैली एंड देन आएगा नागार्जुन सागर. एंड आंसर इज डी. ओके, सो वी आर फिनिशिंग दिस चैप्टर ओवर हियर and learn the question answers and MCQ. Thank you.